Before moving on from number theory, I want to talk about two more number systems that are often used in digital electronics. One of them is gray code. So this is a gray code wheel on the left here. It's both a regular binary and a gray code wheel. So there's a gray code, and there's also B, C, D. So first, covering gray code. Now with binary, 0 is, all zeros. When you go to 1, then this unit here changes to 1. And then going on to 2, this changes. So because this is your 2's column here. What that means in the digital electronic system is that this unit, the 1's unit, changes from 1 to 0, and this also has a change. And then if you were to write 3, it would be 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so that's what we've got used to, that's what we understand. However, this here, this transition going from 1 to 2, there's a lot of counting in digital electronics. There's a lot of counting going on. So this is very common. And it can introduce extra errors because whenever you're changing states, you're going from high to low, low to high, whatever, you are potentially introducing more errors, more problems. And so if you can help it, you don't want to do that. So this is just your regular binary code here that we've come to know. The gray code, again, you start with 0, 0, 0, 0. And then with 1, you have 0, 0, 0, 1. There's only one change in the number. Then this stays 1, and this becomes 1. Now that to us right now looks like a 3, but in gray code, it's a 2. Okay, so this is around the red on this wheel. Okay. Okay. So then 3 will look like this. It looks to us like a 2, but in gray code that's a 3, and so on. Okay. Now what's going to happen in the next one? So here, so I think this really illustrates the point. You have this change, you have this change, and this change. We have 3 changes in this. But here, right, you keep this 1, you keep this 0. This is the change. It's just one change each time. One change with each number, limiting those errors. So when there's a table to fill out what what all the numbers represent and all the different number codes. So this table is also posted on Blackboard. So use it to figure out what the gray code is going to be for some of those numbers.